The European Central Bank took into account the recent macroeconomic reports and decided to slow its bond purchases. Such a change in the ECB's rhetoric led to the US dollar appreciation. In our video review on InstaForex TV channel, we will find out what other events may influence the financial market situation. Next trading week, the US dollar is likely to go on losing value. On Tuesday, traders will be focused on the UK labour market reports. According to the forecast, in August, the UK employment continued increasing amid the absence of coronavirus restrictions. The number of unemployment claims and unemployment rate are expected to drop. Of course, such information will make the pound sterling more attractive for investors. As a result, the pound-dollar pair may try to reach new highs. However, in the evening, traders are likely to resume buying the US dollar amid the inflation report. In August, the US inflation remained close to the 13-year high. In the previous report, analysts had expected a slowdown to 5.3%. However, predictions failed to meet the real data. Thus, in August, inflation may total 5.3% on a yearly basis. On a monthly basis, inflation may advance by 0.4%. Such a high inflation rate makes monetary authorities take measures. The Fed chair assures the market that there is no need to raise the key rate at the moment. However, this report may provide one more signal to tighten the monetary policy. All this may boost demand for the US dollar. On Wednesday, the UK will also report on its inflation. The previous report unveiled a decline in the inflation growth pace to the Bank of England's targeted level of 2%. Unlike the US Fed, the British regulator is ready to raise the key interest rate, admitting the overheating economy. However, this time the indicator is likely to rise again. The expected acceleration in the price growth may return bulls of the pound sterling to the market. In Canada, the situation is the same. Analysts foresee a further increase in the consumer price index. The Bank of Canada also admits the necessity of higher interest rates. The August inflation report is slated for release on Wednesday. If the growth pace in consumer prices turned out to be high, the Canadian dollar may advance against the greenback. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.